Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Sutton bank to CashApp. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your CashApp first. Then once your CashApp is opened, click on your bank option at the very bottom left hand side corner. Then over here you will have the option of add cash. So you can add the cash directly from your Sutton bank account if it's linked. And if it is not linked, what you have to do is go to your profile at the top right. Over here, you will have the option of linked banks. Click on this option. And now right over here, just click on link debit card. Then just simply enter the card details of your Sutton bank, as you can see right over here. Enter the zip code and complete the process. And if you don't want to use your debit card, just click on no card right over here. Over here, what you have to do is click on continue. Just search the name of your bank that you're looking for. So in this case, it's going to be Sutton bank. Then just open the option that's available right over here. Now you will have multiple ways that you can link your bank account with CashApp, as you can see right over here. Like for example, online banking. Just choose the option. And then just complete the process on your browser by clicking on continue. Then it will prompt you to enter your username and password. So just simply complete that process. And once you will log in with your bank details right over here, your account will be linked with your CashApp application. Once that is done, all you have to do is just simply go to the bank option at the very bottom right, then click on add cash, then enter the amount of cash that you want, then click on add, and then the funds will be directly deducted from your bank account that is already linked with your CashApp application. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.